Okay, we're leaving the camp now. This is Friday, I think it's September 30th. And we've been working since Monday, worked all week, ADK Solar and Timmy. I'll give an update tomorrow, but we're going down to Champlain, put a couple hours of fishing in. It's later, so, but the fishing should be good. And see, here's Timmy's handiwork. We decided to put a couple eyes in there. So we're just leaving camp now. Of course, ADK Solar's worker has a Tesla. So, all right, we'll check in with you when we're down in Champlain. See you soon. Okay, here we are out on Champlain. It's September 30th, 2022. Just a beautiful, beautiful day. And I think those are bafflehead ducks, right there diving. I don't think they're cormorants. I think those are ducks, but I'm not sure. Yeah, the cormorants would stay under a lot longer. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. I heard there was frost this morning. The water is, it was 63. It's 62.6, so it's still warm, but it's fallen quite a bit from the last time I was here in August. And it's definitely on the parade down. I only have about 4 hours to get in because I had such a massive work week at my camp. So I'm gonna sign out. We're gonna get to the fishing grounds and see if we can get some smallmouth, largemouth, and northern to bite on Lake Champlain at the end of September. Praise you, Lord. It's just gorgeous out. It's warmed up. I'd say it's about 60. But you can feel when the sun goes down, it's gonna get cool fast. But it's beautiful out right now. All right, just signing out. Turn it back on when we get to the fishing grounds and start catching some fish. Hooked up. I knew it couldn't last forever. This is a nice smallmouth. Yeah. Oh yeah. She's dogging me. Come on, the YouTubers want to get a look at you. We're gonna release you. Ah. Here we go. Okay. There we go. That is one trophy smallmouth on the homemade lure. That's a beautiful fish. Just incredible. Okay. What a fight that fish was, too. There she goes. The fish of a lifetime. Had to be 5 or 6. Just a monster smallmouth. All right. So that's fall fishing when you find them. Slow, but yeah, we got her. I'll sign out and we'll get back on the next fish.
Barely in the 60s, but the fishing is hot. I know I don't have a lot of fish coming on board to show you, but I can tell you right now that if, you know, the water stays a little stable and the weather stabilizes, this will be the best fall fishing of the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little piece of content in September. I really enjoyed being out here. I was so busy this week. It was a work week at the camp, but if you don't get out on Champlain, you're really missing out. Okay, signing out.